Here are the top 5 lessons that high levelers can learn from Elon Musk. But before we dive into today's video, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you can stay up to date on all future videos. Number 1, there's never a job too small or too big for Elon Musk. Whether it's working in the factory or planning the next interplanetary travel, Elon Musk has boots on the ground and hands on in his operation. Now, what this does is it actually sets the standard for what his team should perform to. He expects and demands excellence from his team, and he leads by example by showing them how to get it done. Now, we can leverage this with our high level businesses by leading by example ourselves. Do you know how to perform and create every type of automation in the system? Do you know how to build a funnel from scratch? Do you know how to set up a text or an email sequence or a drip campaign? You should know all of these things and how every piece of the puzzle works. You also need to look at everything from your operational standpoint based off of this. How can you build effective teams? Which is actually going to go into number 2, which is effective delegation and team building. Now, Elon Musk, again, he sets that standard for his team by going out and performing the task himself or finding a solution to the problem himself so that he can lead, that he works through all of these problem solving skills so that he can then pass that on to his team, get the whole team to start thinking outside of the box and begin innovating, developing, and changing the way that things have been done for years. Now, we can do the same thing with our high level business. There isn't really a tool or a function that we can't build in this platform. Heck, we can even have code functions inside of workflows and automations, which basically opens the door to anything, right? So I want you to think like that. Think outside of the box. As a high leveler, it's important to know that there's 8 different ways that we can cut this pie. And knowing all 8 ways to cut the pie means that your team knows all 8 ways to cut the pie, as long as you're effectively training and working with them side by side as they're learning these tasks. Now, this helps you buy back your time and give you the ability to go ahead and leverage your team and the resources that you've built to be a more effective business owner. Number 3, Elon Musk always bets on himself and takes big risks. And think about it. He started his first company in the 90s. Once they sold that off, he ended up founding PayPal. And from leaving and selling off his position in PayPal, he then funded SpaceX and Tesla so that he could build those companies. And everyone doubted him on both companies. Everyone said you're not going to be able to build an electric vehicle that's going to be able to drive over 200 miles. He did that. Everyone told him that he wasn't going to be able to build a rocket that would land itself back on the planet that was reusable and could do thousands of trips into outer space and back into the earth. Go to outer space, back to the earth. He was told that would never happen. He did it, right? So I want you to look at your business inside of high level as a way for you to bet on yourself. If you haven't even started with high level net yet, this is a great opportunity to do so. If you work in any particular niche, that's the niche that you start with. Go after the people that you speak the same lingo with. You can have that conversation. You know the pain, you know that the problems that they have in their business. Pick up high level, solve the problems in your business, and then go and resell it and solve the problems in others. Maybe that risk is actually going ahead and advertising to your key niche and throwing some good earned money at advertising so that you can gain more customers. Just know that everything in your business is all about what you put into it. So you're not going to get an outcome if you didn't work hard for it. And I mean a good outcome if you didn't work hard for it. So the best part about this platform is you test, you figure things out, and then you go ahead and you implement based off of your testing and you leverage data-driven analytics to make your decisions in your business so that you can continue to win. Number 4 is leveraging technology. Now, Elon Musk actually revolutionized the way that auto manufacturers build vehicles using artificial intelligence. And this artificial intelligence is streamlined into all of his businesses. It helps him make decisions. It helps him actually solve problems that he may have or find efficiencies that his employees or himself didn't even see. And so when we talk about this from a high level standpoint, AI is baked into almost every aspect of the system. Whether you're building a funnel, you can use AI to help rewrite all of your headlines, all of your subheadlines, all the body and text. You can leverage AI throughout your funnels and website builds. You have the ability to leverage AI inside of an automation, which can be triggered by over 100 different things in the CRM. And those triggers are then going to push that contact. Maybe it's a form that they just submitted and filled out, and it's going to go through a GPT where it's going to write an email that's personalized to that individual based on how they filled out and submitted the form. Or maybe that's just providing you a transcript from an AI voice call if you're leveraging a platform like Synthflow. So you have the ability to use this AI to your advantage. And if you think outside of the box, then that means that you have the ability to transform your clients' businesses by leveraging that artificial intelligence, the same way that Elon Musk transformed the automotive industry and the space industry with artificial intelligence. Lesson number 5 is going to be a customer-centric approach. Now, Elon Musk is known for building amazing vehicles, and I know that he's had a lot of guff in the media about, issues with cars or recalls, but at the end of the day, every auto manufacturer has recalls and has problems with their vehicles. Elon is just under this microscope because he's the wealthiest man in the world. So he receives a lot of scrutiny for these things. But he puts out a fantastic product that people buy time and time again. I mean, damn, the cars practically sell themselves. With Go High Level, you have the ability to do the exact same thing. You can take someone's business and you can automate all of the tedious tasks that they do on a daily basis and either leverage AI to perform those tasks or an automation inside of the system, saving your clients crucial time so that they can focus on the money making activities that are going to be the most profitable for their business. So I want you to look at high level as a way to not only give yourself the ability to take a big risk and go and make money. I want you to look at this also as a way that you can take on that Elon Musk vision of no job is too little or too small to take on. You should be involved in every aspect of your business and build teams that will allow you to get your time back and go spend time with your family, your loved ones, do things that you want to do. Maybe that's go to a concert, maybe that's go to Tahiti. This is a platform that gives you the ability to build a team and build a business without ever having to write a line of code or knowing how to do so. And you're in the software industry, the most the largest, most fastest booming industry next to coaching there is. And if you look at all the coaching programs, you have all these nobodies that people don't even know, that have never even been good at the job that they're coaching at. This is like playing at the highest level in sports and having someone that just played in high school be your coach. I don't want to do that. I don't want to learn from those guys. I want to learn from people who have actually been in the mud and have done the work that needs to be done and has achieved the goals that they need to achieve. And so, if you're looking to get started with an online business, I recommend this over coaching because you can actually provide your clients with something that will help them for a lifetime versus something that will help them for a short period of time, maybe. Anyways, I appreciate you tuning in and checking out this video. If you haven't signed up for High Level yet, I highly recommend you to click the link below. We offer every new High Level sign up over 160 snapshots. And what a snapshot is all the funnels, all the automations, all the text and email campaigns, all those pieces that your local businesses that you're going to target need to grow. We're going to give over 160 different niches. So whether that's plumbers or whether you're looking at somebody that pours cement or whether you're looking at a deck builder or you're looking at a real estate agent or a mortgage professional or a financial advisor, we've got you covered. As soon as you sign up using our link, you not only get a free 30-day trial, you get access to over 160 snapshots in different niches So when you go and target a client, you know that you have a solution for them that's pre-built, saving you a ton of time. Our teams put thousands of hours into the builds of these, and this is going to save you a massive amount of time to get started. Number two, we're going to actually go ahead and onboard you from A to Z. We're gonna get you started with this platform. We're gonna get you up and running. We're going to give you all of the tools that you need, including a website, all the automations that go with it, an onboarding process, and a pipeline management system so that you can streamline your client acquisition and increase your revenue. The last thing that I'm going to share with you today that we offer for our affiliates is that we offer ongoing support. So if you ever have an aspect of the system that you're having a hard time with or something that just doesn't make sense, get on a Zoom with our team, and our team will actually help walk you through whatever that process is that you're having a hard time with. Our team is here to make sure that you see success with this platform, and we have a direct interest in it. By signing up through our affiliate link, we're going to make 40% of what you pay High Level every month in recurring fees. We want to make sure that you see success because of that direct interest that we have in this. So thank you very much. If you like this video, like and subscribe, smash the bell, and we'll see you on the next video.